Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and finish at 2 o'clock. And I am now here in Nelson Bay, near the Woolworths. Woolworths is on that side, but I'm actually going to the church. There is a All Saints church in here, and I am going to vote. Yeah, so basically there is a referendum here in Australia. It's something like giving a voice to the Aboriginals and the Torres Strait people. And yeah, the vote is simply just a yes or no, and that is what I'm going to do. I need to vote now. If you remember last time I did not vote, and so yeah, I paid $55. That is a fine. If you don't vote, yeah, you need to pay a fine. There are many different voting precincts, and the nearest to me is this church, just near here in Lure Hotel, Oaks Lure Hotel. Yeah, that's where I bought, on the other side. And look at this. Yeah, there is this street library. Just now I noticed this one. I think it's new. My GoPro has no battery. That's why I'm using my smartphone, this iPhone. But you know, when using the iPhone, they're sure to have a wind noise. There's like a two group over there, and they are giving flyers. Yeah, voting yes means recognizing Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people in our constitution through a voice. But for sure, the goal is for common good, for everyone's good. The election is just to, you know, to balance. Yeah, because some people, they have different belief, they have different idea, and so yeah, that's why there is election. And that's it. I'm going home now. Yeah, it is now 4:20 and I'm hungry. Going to eat this rice, and I don't know yet what I'm going to eat. Okay, I'm going to put the dipping sauce, lemon juice, some soy sauce. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I just finished. I just got home, but yeah, I finished at 2 o'clock, and I actually already went to the grocery, and I bought this marinara mixed seafoods and this Hokkien noodles. And I'm going to make seafood noodles. When I was at work, I saw a fried rice in cafeteria, lunch pack. Yeah, and so I said it looks delicious. Yeah, and so I decided that I'm going to the Salamander Bay to buy the fried rice from the Chinese takeaway. But when I was already in the Salamander Bay, I said, oh, it's going to be $15 for the fried rice or noodles. Yeah, so instead I went to the grocery and I bought this one. This one is just $3.50 and this one is $5.99. Yeah, and I said I'm just going to cook noodles, so it's cheaper. This is not usually ingredients of noodles, but I'm going to put some. And I'm going to cook just half of it. Some soy sauce. And I'm going to cook it all. Oh, look at that. Yeah, this is already the 2 serving of the $15 noodles. Yeah, so I saved. It may be not the same delicious of that Chinese takeaway, but yeah, I'm going to eat it the way I want, with rice. I did not even put any salt, but already tasty, but not very delicious like the one in Chinese takeaway, but it's okay. I'm actually doing my laundry, and yeah, it's finished already. Here is the apron and trouser. I need to change because I need to wash the white one that I was wearing. You know, I am editing this video, and in case you don't know, I am using a GoPro Hero 12, and I realized that there is a little problem when playing the video footage recorded with the highest quality of this GoPro, that if you play it, the hot dog sandwich that I eat is not enough. Yeah, it suddenly becomes a slow motion. Yeah, that is what's going to happen if you play it in within the gallery. And look at this. This footage is recorded using my iPhone. And it plays normal. But if you transfer it here in the video editor, it plays normal. Always here, just like that. Yeah, and so that's why I am now changing the setting of this GoPro. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, it is now 2:31. Yeah, I just finished my duty. Actually, I finished my duty. Yeah, supposed to be 2 o'clock, but yeah, I signed out already 2:25. Yeah, and if you remember yesterday, I went to the Woolworths to buy some noodles. Yeah, for me to be able to save money, to not buy noodles from the Chinese restaurant. Yeah, and I still have some leftover in the house. But yeah, I am now here and I'm really tempted to eat noodles there. Actually, rice. Yeah, the noodles and the rice, they have the same taste. Yeah, this time I'm going to get rice. I don't like it, but it's okay. I mean, I don't like to spend the money, but yeah, it's okay. It was actually very busy this yeah, during the service. Breakfast was busy, 170. Lunch was also busy, but very satisfying. I mean, yeah. Oh, it's closed up. They are closed today. Nice. So that's good. Yeah, I'm happy that they are closed, so I don't need to spend $15 for that fried rice or for that fried or noodles. Very nice. So I'm going home now. It is now 3 o'clock. Actually 3:08. Oh no. Yeah, just now I noticed that the plants is getting weak. I did not able, I put some water. Yeah, for sure just later on or tonight it will be back to glowing. Yeah. And I'm also preparing my meal. Yeah, this one, the one that I cooked yesterday, I'll just reheat it. Actually, this one is a little bland yesterday. So I'm going to add some seasoning. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, we are here at the moment. This is Nelson Bay. But look at that, it's really beautiful. Yeah, we rarely come here because this is not on my way going to work or on the way going to the grocery. It is a residential area. I learned this place basically because of my driving instructor. Yeah, on my first day of my driving lesson, he drives me here. I mean, he let me drive to get here and show me this beautiful view. It's really beautiful. The sun, it's already 6:15 the time now, and the sun is already there. Yeah, we are in the higher part, and you're going to see there are some kukatu on the tree. And residential area, you see the roofs of the houses. And of course, yeah, the sea, that's the Nelson Bay, a foreshore area, maybe Corlet area. Yeah, I was coming from there. I just drive and stop here to see this place. Look how empty is the car park at the moment here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square. Yeah, because the time is still 6:47, and I can see that the roll-up door is actually still closed. The actual shopping mall, I mean all the shops, they're going by around that. I mean, they are going to open by 10 or 9 o'clock. But the grocery is going to open by 7. Yes, 6:47 at the moment. There is actually McDonald's at the back, but I prefer to be cheaper to buy banana bread in Coles. You know, when I first arrived here in 2016, oh actually 2017, there's no medical center, there's no PRD, there's no Aldi, and this waiting area is not like that. But now, yeah, it's developing more. It's getting bigger.